Hello, welcome to another TrunSHOP video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a nightstand like this one, a floating nightstand. Okay, so first thing, we're going to come here on File, New Project, as always. And we're going here on Empty Canvas, and the measurements are 400 of width, 500 of height, and 400 of depth. So we drag and drop, and it's like this. We can delete the baseboard, so we have something like this. And this measurement here, the distance to the floor, is 200. Okay, this one does not, like this. Next, we're going to put a shelf in the middle, so like this. Okay, and we're going to place a drawer on the bottom part, and we cannot forget of the cover plate, so this. And we are going to change the material to the same as this one. So you type 25 here and you put search, it's this one here. Okay, and there as well, and just like that, you have a floating nightstand. If you have any questions about this design, please let me know and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.